Hello everyone. Welcome to this MCQ series. This is MCQ number 2 with regard to the quadrilaterals chapter. Now here it is given that ABCD is a quadrilateral. Angle A plus angle C is 140 degree. Angle A plus angles is to angle C is 1:3. So the ratio of the angles is given, and what you are supposed to find is the value or the measures of each angle. Now let us see how to solve this question. So whenever there is any question with regard to ratio, you always associate a variable with that. So I'll say let angle A be 1x and angle C be 3x. Now the next part which is given over here is angle A plus C is 140 degree. So I can say that angle A plus C is equal to 140, which means x plus 3x is equal to 140. Now this means 4x is equal to 140, which in turn will give you the value 140 by 4, which is nothing but 35 degree. Now this, from here I get the value of A, which is nothing but 1x, which is equal to 35 degree. Similarly, I also have the second angle value, that is angle C, which is nothing but 3 into x, which is equal to 3 into 35, which goes to 105 degree. So now before going to the next part, we can see that I can see 35 and 105, the two angles measures we have. Now over here, before solving the other two angles also for angle B and D, you can directly conclude this answer by just looking at the options. So A is 35. If you look at all the options, there is no option wherein there is 35. So I can say that this is the correct option. But let us also find out what is angle B and D. So that will be angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 degree, and this is for sum of angles of quadrilateral is 360 degree. So from here we already have what is angle A, that is 35 plus angle B. Now over here the ratio for angle B and D is given. So we can say that let angle B be 5y and angle D be 6y. The same way how we have assumed for angle A and angle C. Now here I am not associating the same x again because it is not a single ratio, but the ratios are different. So you can say that angle B is 5y plus angle C is 105 and angle D is 6y. This is equal to 360. So it is just a matter of solving and getting the value of y. So that will give you 11y. 35 plus 105 will be 140, which on shifting I can write it as 360 minus 140, and that will give you the answer 220. So y is equal to 220 upon 11, which is nothing but 20 degree. Now from here you can check angle B is equal to 5 into y, which is 5 into 20. Angle D is equal to 6 into y, which is 6 into 20, which comes to 120, and this is 100. So now you can even check the answers. Angle B should be 100. Second option, second angle is 100. Angle D is 120. The last angle is 120. So this is the solution of the question. Thank you.